What's up, guys? Today I got a pretty interesting video, and it's a new product that I want to bring to you guys. Actually, a couple of new products. For those of you that's watched my channel for a while know that I'm a stickler for having clean tools. I cannot stand for tools to be dirty. As you can see, this is one of my favorite impacts. It is the Snap-on CT761. We used it, got a pretty good bit of grease and oil on it, and it's looking pretty crappy. So today we're going to clean it up. One of the new products that I want to talk to you about is by Jersey Discount Tool, and it's their Cordless Tool Detailer. So today we're going to put it to the test, and also we got some new boots after we get everything cleaned up, and we'll show you those. So let's put this to the test, see how this stuff works. So you guys, come on. Alright guys, so like I said in the intro, today we're going to be trying out the new Cordless Detailer by Jersey Discount Tools. When you order this off of their app, which is available at the Google Play Store or on the Apple App Store, you download their app and they got deals of the day and lots of good tools, and nobody's going to touch their prices on any of the Milwaukee stuff, so be sure to check them out. But this kit that they offer comes with this bottle as well as a refill, and they give you a brush and a rag, and that whole kit right there runs $23, and it's supposed to work better than any other tool cleaner on the market. Nick Morello and his guys had this formulated just for them, and it's designed for use on impact, so it's safe on the plastics and the rubber that's used on them. So today I wanted to clean up. As you see, we've used our cordless tools today, and I'm going to clean them up, and we're going to install some of the new boots. These are the new boots that they offer to protect your Milwaukee impacts. They have them for the stubbies, they have them for the regular size, they also offer them for the 1/2 inch. Of course, this is the Milwaukee version, but they offer the same version here, and they also offer it in black. And another cool feature that they do that I have not seen anybody else do is the battery covers. So once we get everything clean, we're going to install the covers, and that way we can show you guys how they fit and how they work. Plus, it gives us a chance to clean our tools up and use the Cordless Detailer. So let's get the camera set up so we can show you all this, and we'll test this stuff out and see how it fits. You guys, stick around. Alright guys, so here is what the bottle looks like. It's the Cordless Tool Detailer by Jersey Discount Tool. And pretty much you spray it on the tool, you scrub it with the brush, and then you wipe it down with the rag. Simple enough, so let's try it out. It just says avoid the battery vents or the vents on the tool. I like the fact that they designed it for cordless tools, and that way it won't hurt the, the rubber or the plastic that's on them. So that's a plus. As you can see, the grease and the grime that's coming off this thing. And it didn't really look that bad, to be honest with you. So it's definitely pulling it from somewhere. So we hit it with the brush. Now we'll take the rag and we'll wipe it off and see how it looks. Wow, pretty impressive. Very clean. Looks extremely nice. Brand new, actually. Wow, look at that. Looks brand new, other than the scratches. So that is extremely impressive. Now I'm going to do my old Milwaukee, because that's the one that we ordered the boot for, and I want to get it cleaned up prior to putting the boot on it. I actually figured this one would be dirtier than the snap-on because of the job I just finished with it. Stuff works really well. You can read on their website it's safe for use on the plastics that don't have any kind of petroleum in it and this and that. So, man, those guys done their homework and made a safe product for us to be able to use on these cordless tools. Wow. Brand new. That's amazing how well that cleaned up. Like, it is completely clean. There's no grease left in the little grooves or the tracks of it. The whatever formula they got that they come up with in that bottle, it works. So I'm definitely pleased with the way that turned out. So now I want to hit my big boy. Here, we'll just do one side at a time. I am thoroughly impressed with this cleaner so far. This has done an excellent job. Of course, this is the one that I plan on putting the battery boot on. That's why I'm so more focused on the battery than the tool. Guys, I wipe my tools down every time before putting them back in the box. Of course, I did just finish a job with them, and that's why they're kind of dirty now, but I had actually wiped them off with a towel prior to starting this, so that tells you that this cleaner is pulling stuff out of it. Wow, that is amazing. You got all of that crap out of there. Very nice. This cleaner works. It works well. It's not burning my hands. You see, I don't have any gloves on or anything like that. It's just, I don't feel like it's harmful in any way to my skin. But you can see how well that cleaner works. That looks brand new again. And I'm sure it'll work great on my mat. As you can see, the grit and the grime that was left in there. And I love these mats. They're made by Grippy Co. Who makes them. I use these silicone mats for everything. They're perfect. They're chemical resistant. You can spray them down with brake cleaner and it won't hurt them. I mean, they're a very good addition to any shop. And as you can see, their cordless air tool cleaner works extremely well on the mats. Looks brand new again. So now that we've got that out of the way, we've got them clean, and you guys see it didn't take but just a minute per tool to get them looking brand new again. We'll go ahead and try the boots on, get them installed, and we'll show you how they look and how they function. All right, guys, you see how easy this stuff is. You see how well it works. And for $23 for this bottle, plus the refill bottle with the brush and the rag, you can't go wrong because it works exceptionally well. So now we'll try the boots on, see how they fit, and we'll take a look at those. So we'll start with the boot cover. You can see this is the M18 boot cover. It comes in black. They also offer a green version. And I think they run around $18 off of their app. And that simply just goes over your Milwaukee batteries to help protect them in case you drop them or grease or oil or whatever. You see it fits nicely, fits snug, so that's really nice. And they offer it for the full size 3/8 impact, as you can see here. They offer it in green or black. I think it runs around $22, $23 off their site, so you can pick you one of those up. And they do offer the stubby version. They offer it in, I think red is the only color, but it's around the same price, 22, 23 bucks. And we'll get that installed and show you guys how that fits. There you guys can see it. It's a nice snug fit, and even if you want to put your belt clip back on it, they leave the hole here so you can do that. I prefer the belt clip off just so it allows for a no snag application, if you will. But you can see it fits extremely tight. Still get to your battery meter. You can read it fine. So everything functions good. All the air flows there, so no issues with that. Really nice boot covers, and you can see the battery cover fits extremely well. I'm extremely pleased with the cordless tool detailer. I feel that it done an excellent job. For you guys that don't know about Jersey Discount Tool, be sure to go to your app store if you have an Apple phone, or go to your Google Play Store. Download the app. I'll put a picture of what their app looks like. And be sure to check them out. They offer amazing deals of the day, and you can get awesome products like this, and you cannot touch their price on Milwaukee tools. Anyway, guys, that's my video today. Hopefully you liked it. Hopefully you learned a little something that you may need in your life to keep your tools looking beautiful. Like always, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. It's totally free. Never cost you guys a dime. Y'all have a great week, and we will catch y'all next time.